Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem many developers face when deserializing JSON data in .NET applications. So, let's address the problem first. The problem lies in setting a property value to null when deserializing JSON, even if we want it to have a default value. This can be tricky, especially with the changes in .NET Core 6. But fear not, because we have a solid solution at hand. The solution lies in adjusting how we define our property in the model class. By using a private field and a modified getter and setter for the property, we can ensure that the property will default to a specific value if null is assigned during deserialization. It's a neat little trick that helps us sidestep the issue elegantly. So remember, next time you're facing a similar hiccup with deserializing JSON in .NET, consider this nifty trick to keep your properties in check and avoid unexpected null values. And with that, we wrap up today's video. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more coding insights. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!